Hey guys, it's Asal and welcome back to my channel. As you know, we're so close to Valentine's Day, so I'm gonna do a classic red lip look in this video. Don't forget to take a look at my channel and subscribe. To start with, I'm using Natural Basics Face and Hand Cream to moisturize my skin. Before I apply my foundation, I'm using my green color corrector to cover the redness of my skin. For foundation, I'm using my M.A.C Match Master Foundation in the shade 3. I apply it with a brush all over my skin and on my creases too. To contour, I'm using Maybelline Dream Matte Mousse in the shade Caramel 60. With a brush, I'm drawing a diamond shape under my cheekbones area, and then I'm contouring sides of my forehead and sides of my chin. I'm applying it a little bit on my creases too. For my nose contouring, I'm using a brown eye pencil and drawing two lines on my nose and on the tip to make a sharp tip looking nose. I blended all of my contour and now I'm going to apply my eyeshadow. I apply light cream shade eyeshadow all over my creases and my under eyes. Then I'm gonna apply my eyeliner. I'm using a gel eyeliner, and first I'm gonna put my brush in water to get some of the product on my brush. Without wasting any time, I start to draw my eyeliner so fast and easily. Now I'm just cleaning the wing by lifting it a little bit. I'm putting a little bit of my eyeliner on the tip of my eyes too to give my eyes that sharp look. Now I'm using my M.A.C Concealer in the shade 3. For extra lengths, I apply lash base before mascara, and then I apply my L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara on top of that. I stick my lashes to each other like this to give it a fuller look. With a brown eye pencil, I draw some small lines between my lashes to make them look fuller. Times for blush, and I'm using MODA Blusher in the shade 36. I apply it on my cheekbones and I go up to the sides of my forehead and just a little bit under my eyebrows. For lips, I start with contouring it with my brown eye pencil. Then I apply my VILLARD Red Lipstick in the shade 421 all over my lips. And I finish it with my M.A.C Lip Liner. So this is my classic red lip look for Valentine's Day, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and share the video and leave a comment down below. And for more videos like this, take a look at my channel. See you in next video. Bye!